So I was lucky enough to be invited by 28th Century Studios para sa screening nila of Alien Romulus. Scary Alien Romulus. Oh, I'm so scared. Are you scared? Oh, I'm so scared. So, ano yung review ko about Alien Romulus? Well, it was super gory and super fun. Ano yung pinaka-nakaka-daring thing na nakita mo?
Anything liquid na gooey na
Ako, it was the egg. Nung lumalabas yung alien sa egg, dapat nakakatakot siya. Kaming dalawa were just like, bakit mo kang As much as it was a very spectacle na sci-fi movie, it was nothing but horror. The horror never stopped. Hindi ka binigyan ng movie na to a moment para huminga.
Parang hindi ka pwedeng huminga kasi every time sinabi
It was like a roller coaster na puro paikot-ikot lang at hindi siya nakakahilo. Okay, nakaka-excite siya. I didn't know kung ano yung mundo. I didn't watch yung previous na alien movies. So I really love na hindi confusing yung world building niya dito. Hindi mo kailangan maging alien fan para ma-appreciate siya. Kung horror fan ka lang, lalo na classic 80s horror fan, you'll probably love this movie. May hirap sila, tas kailangan nila makaalis, may pupuntan sila, done. Easy storytelling, quick and simple. Gusto nilang parang mag-care ako for these characters. Sa mga horror movie, mahirap gawin sa akin yan kasi like, alam ko na mamamatay sila, bakit ako ma-attach, di ba? Pero dito, they kept it simple. Nag-progress yung connection ko sa kanila as the movie went on. Kasi kapag sobrang care na ako sa kanila as we went deeper into the movie, pag namatay sila, doon ako masasaktan. And yung effects, as much as lahat ng mga movies na ngayon puro CGI na, 'di ba? Lahat ng mga horror CGI, lahat ng mga monsters, hindi. Gumawa sila ng mga practical monsters and I think that added to the effect of horror. I really felt na it was real. I really felt na hindi siya CGI and that made it more scarier for me. Diba? Kasi nafe-feel ko na, totoo tong tinitingnan ko ngayon. Pwede akong patayin neto pag natulog ako. Lalo na yung last na Alien, akala namin tapos na eh. Akala namin, wow, happy ending. Wala nang nakakatakot na aliens. But then, dumating yung nanay mo. Nagkaroon ako ng chance para i-interview si Blake Salcedo, my friend and movie review influencer, and he had these kind words to say about the movie.
Pure nightmare fuel. Disgusting. Raw.
Masusuka kayo kapag pinanood niyo siya in 3D.
If you guys like to watch people getting impregnated by aliens and then getting their chest bursted open by xenomorphs, then you should definitely watch this.
Oh, my favorite. Thank you, Blake. That said, I highly recommend na panoorin nyo ang Alien Romulus, now showing August 14th. Go watch it. Kung gusto nyo ng napakagandang horror that will keep you in the edge of your seat, pero at the same time, mapapatakip kayo ng muka, Alien Romulus is the film for you. Thank you very much.